That statistic is almost 50 years old and hasn't changed since then. Not because no one wants to solve it, but because no one can measure it. Without data, there can be no solution. We are SimplyPill, and we have built a smart medication dispenser for accurate adherence measuring.
This is the PADDY, your personal adherence buddy. Every pill that is being dispensed is being tracked by our sensor and gets a timestamp. This means that there is no uncertainty whether the patient is actually adherent or not.
For family and caregivers, it finally means no more worries. And for the pharmaceutical industry, it means even more, because they finally get reliable and objective data that is already being required by regulations.
Clinical trials rely on biased self-reporting and pill counts as their standard measurement tools. Pharmacists waste medication because they can't match prescriptions with actual medication usage. We measure what until now has never been measured before.
We have successfully completed a feasibility study with 20 participants, received 3 support letters, and worked together with major health organizations to map out the problem and the market.
Right now, we're in the final round of a tender for deploying PADDY in a validation study.
Next month, we're starting a pilot with Medical Center Kinderplein with users of ADHD medication.
And we're also having concrete conversations with the Academic Hospital of Utrecht and the Sint Antonius Ziekenhuis in Leidse Rijn for clinical validation of PADDY.
Finally, we have given demos at the Academic Hospital in Groningen and the National Pharmacy, and with both parties, a collaboration is being explored.
We're with 4 founders, 3 specialized in business and IT, 1 in industrial engineering and management, and no one with a medical background. And that's deliberate, because at its core, SimplyPill is actually a data company enabled by hardware, the PADDY. So, for our medical depth, we have our advisors, Dr. Professor Job van Boven and Hans Kortlever. We're going to use the financing for market validation, for clinical validation and for software development, and that will get us to the milestones needed for a seed round in 2027.
Accurate adherence measuring is the new standard for medication adherence.
Let's set that standard together.